Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 5th English grammar 4th chapter, and that is the use of adjectives. And adjectives can normally go in two places in a sentence before a noun. Like Radha is a tall girl. In this sentence, tall is an adjective because we use a before a noun. Next, after the verb be, like is, am, are, was, were, after feel, smell, taste, look, seem and so on, we use the adjectives like the sky is blue. So my dear students, here's the exercise. Exercise 4.1. Choose a noun with an adjective to complete each sentence. We have a clues, so we can use these clues in the blank. First one is pizza is an, and the correct answer is Italian dish. Next, there were dark clouds in the sky. Third, my uncle has bought a new car. Fourth, I want to have a cup of hot tea. Fifth, the hill was covered with green plants. Sixth, the car was running at a fast speed. Next, the dash is not difficult to learn, and the correct answer is English language. 8. I want a dash to cut these onions, and the correct answer is sharp knife. Next, she was wearing a red rose in her hair. My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number 2. Choose a verb plus an adjective to complete each sentence. Before I told you, after the verb like be, is, am, are, was, were, after the feel, smell, taste, look, seem, we use the adjectives. First one is honey dash, and the correct answer is tastes sweets because the taste of honey is very sweet. Second, that car looks new. His story sounds false. This rose smells nice. This cloth feels soft. This pizza tastes horrible. Do this question in your book. Question number 3 of this exercise. Put the words in the correct order and write the sentences. My dear students, these orders are incorrect. You can correct and write the correct one answer. First, is big house a it? And the answer is it is a big house. Second, new eye shoes you are like, and the answer is I like your new shoes. Third, easy and this question is, and the answer is this is an easy question. Fourth, Nisha and is girl intelligent, and the correct answer is Nisha is an intelligent girl. Fifth, my like sister's food Punjabi, and the answer is my sister likes Punjabi food. Sixth, doctor is elder her brother, and the answer is her elder brother is a doctor. Next, not exercise, is this a difficult, and the answer is this is not a difficult exercise. 8. Hair and blue Lucy eyes long as, and the answer is Lucy has blue eyes and long hair. Do this question in your notebook. My dear students, before doing this exercise, exercise 4.2, please open your book on page number 27 and look at these questions. First one is, write in your notebook the comparative and superlative forms. Making comparison. For two things or people that are similar, we use as with the positive degree. Like, Tony is as tall as Tina and he is as brave as lion. Next one, for two things or people that are different, we use then with a comparative degree and not as with the positive degree. And the example of then is Meena is taller than Radha, and the example of not as Radha is not as tall as Meena. Third, in our negative sentence, we can use so as in place of as, like Radha is not so tall as Meena. So my dear students, for three or more things or people that are different, we use the superlative degree. And whenever we write the superlative degree, we use the positive degree with no other, the comparative degree with no other or any other. Like the example of superlative degree is Anita is the tallest girl in the class. In this sentence, before the tallest we use the because it refers a superlative degree. Second, no other girl in the class is so tall as she is. This is the positive degree. Third, No other girl in the class is taller than her. This is a comparative degree. Now, in this question, we use positive, comparative and superlative. First, we use positive in big, comparative bigger than and superlative the biggest. Then refers comparative, the refers superlative. Next, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest. Little, less, least, thick, thicker, thickest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. We use more in comparative, we use most in superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Much, more, most. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Old, older, oldest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. So my dear students, rest of the question you have to do yourself. Note, do this question in your notebook. There is no need to do this question in your book. Question number 2 of this exercise, write the opposites. First, high, low, dark, light, easy, difficult, large, small, black, white. Better, worse, older, hotter, longer, shorter, younger, elder, older, cheaper, costlier, hottest, coldest, earliest, latest, hardest, softest, heaviest, lightest, prettiest, ugliest. Do this question in your book. Question number 3, complete the sentences using comparatives. We use comparatives degree. First, your doll is very pretty, I have a prettier. Second, your bag is not very heavy, my bag is heavier. Third, your plan is not very good, my plan is better. Fourth, my chair is not very comfortable, yours is more comfortable. Fifth, our house is not very big, we will build a bigger. Do this question in your book. Question number 4, write sentences about Lucy and Nina. Use then. We use then. So my dear students, open your book and look at the picture on page number 27. We use the comparative degree. First, Lucy is older than Nina. Second, Lucy is taller than Nina. Third, Nina is better dancer than Lucy. Fourth, Nina is clever than Lucy. Fifth, Lucy goes to school later than Nina. Sixth, Nina has less money than Lucy. My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number 5, rewrite each sentence using not so as. And the first one is, lead is heavier than gold. And the answer is, gold is not so heavy as lead. Second, Radha is taller than Nisha. And the answer is, Nisha is not so tall as Radha. We use not as so with the positive and negative degree. Next is, Delhi is bigger than Jaipur. And the answer is, Jaipur is not so big as Delhi. Fourth, December is colder than October. And the answer is, October is not so cold as December. Fifth, mangoes are sweeter than apples. And the answer is, apples are not so sweet as mangoes. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. 6. Rewrite each sentence in the positive or comparative form. First, the Taj is the most beautiful building. And the answer is, no other building is so beautiful as the Taj. We use comparative and as well as positive. So, my dear student, let me recall once again. We use in positive degree not as and we use in comparative degree so as then. Okay. Now, second one is, June is the hottest month of the year. And the answer is, no other month of the year is so hot as June. And we can also write like this, June is hotter than any other month of the year. Third, the elephant is the biggest animal on the land. And the answer is, no other animal on land is so big as the elephant. And the next answer is, the elephant is bigger than any other animal on the land. Fourth, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. And the answer is, no other peak in the world is so high as Mount Everest. And the next answer is, Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the world. Fifth, this is the most useful book on English grammar. And the answer is, no other book on English grammar is so useful as this one. We can also This book is more useful than any other book on English grammar. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Question number 7. Complete the comparison using much or a bit. We use much for uncountable nouns. We use much also for the questions, and we use a bit for a little things. First one is John is 11, Jack is 39, and the answer is Jack is much older than John. Second, Jan is 4 feet tall, Lucy is 4 feet 1 inch, and the answer is Lucy is a bit taller than Jan. Third, Manu is 10 years old, Misha is 10 years 2 months, and the correct answer is Misha is a bit older than Manu. Fourth, my bag weighs 10 kg, your bag weighs 19 kg, and the answer is your bag is much heavier than my bag. Fifth, my shirt cost rupees 350, your shirt cost rupees 190, and the answer is my shirt cost much more than your shirt. My dear students, you have to do these questions in your book. Before doing question number 7, open to your English grammar book and look at the page number 29. In 29 page number, there is a figure and we compared it. First one is big or small. First one is A and D. A is bigger than D. Second, BC. B is smaller than C. Third, A is the biggest. B is the smallest. Second, long and short. BD. B is shorter than D. CA. C is longer than A. B is the shortest. D is the longest. In second figure, we have the figure of pencils. Third, AB. We use A, B in among of the children. A is older than B. Second, CD. C is younger than D. We use young and old. B is the youngest. C is the oldest. Next one is cheap and costly. We use cheap and costly in clothes. If you see the figure in fourth, there is the figures of clothes. AD. A is cheaper than D. CB. C is costlier than B. A is cheapest. C is the costliest. My dear student, do this question in your book. That's all about this chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Thank you.